Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. The Samsung Galaxy A72 is in the house, and on today's video will be regarding how we can set up the fingerprint, face ID and the screen lock on our Samsung Galaxy A72 device. Also, we have made other videos as well, like the unboxing and the screen, how you can take the screenshot of in the A72 device, and some of other cool videos are also available for A52 and A32 device. Do check them out in your free time. So guys, let's begin the video. First of all, you have to open up your settings, and in settings you will see that there is going to be an option for lock screen and biometric and security. Basically, two different lock screens are available here, but do keep in note you must have a lock screen. Either you must have a pattern, pin or password first in order to use the face ID or fingerprint to be utilized on your device. So I'm going to first make a pattern here. So in order to make the pattern, just tap on that button, and just a menu will open up in the first screen where you have to give a pattern to the device. Do remember that pattern because it will be very important to you in future. So I'm going to make the pattern here, then I go to continue. A new page will open up, and here you will also have to give the same pattern which you have registered on the previous screen, then confirm it, and after that it will be set up. The pattern is going to be set up. Similar process is going to be for the pin and password where you can use it. Now this next step will arrive at how we can use the biometric in order to use the fingerprint and face ID. Well, you have to do is either way you can utilize the same menu and turn on the toggle button, and you can register your fingerprint and face ID here, or you can go back and type on the and press the biometric and security button here, and you will find an option for face recognition and fingerprint. So first we are going to register the fingerprint here. Just tap on that, and here is your pattern. You just need to give the same pattern which you have made on the screen lock options. So I'm giving the same pattern here. It's asking me to give my fingerprint. Just press the continue button and tap on the fingerprint icon which is appear here, and you will be easily adding your fingerprint on your device. It will take a time, just a few seconds, and yeah, my fingerprint has been registered. If you want to add other fingerprints as well for your other fingers, you can add them as well on your device. So multiple fingerprint can be added by pressing the add fingerprint here as well. So my fingerprint has been added, my lock screen has been activated. Now let's check out whether it has been registered or not. So basically, yeah, my fingerprint has been registered here. I'm just going to tap on that, and my screen will be unlocked very much fast. Or for some reason you don't have the option to open up your device, you just need to swipe up and you can use the pattern as well. So after registering the fingerprint, the next step is going to be the face ID. You just need to open up your settings and scroll down towards the biometric and security. Here you will find out face recognition option, and just tap on that, and after that you have to give the same pattern which you have registered, and then press continue button. And in here it will asking you an option that if you wear glasses, press yes, and if you don't wear glasses, then press no. Since I am wearing glasses, so I'm pressing the continue button here, and then I'm going to register my face ID here. Now it's asking me to remove my glasses. I have removed my glasses, and then press continue, and it's going to be registering me real quickly. Hold a second, I have to be a little bit closer here. So it has registered me 100%ly, and now I have been registered with my face ID. You just need to press the power button and lock the screen, and then test out how it's going to be unlocking. Yeah, it's pretty fast here. As you can see, I am unlocking my device pretty easily, just pushing myself on the front of the camera, and it unlocked the device quite fast. So guys, these are the steps through which you can set up your face ID, screen lock and face fingerprint scanner on your device. So it's pretty simple methods, you can easily use them. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Do consider subscribing for daily tech video, and I am planning to bring more content on my channel later in the month, so do consider subscribing it. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.